Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News for May 5th, 2017. The Attleboro Public Library recently hosted a housing workshop for seniors. During the panel discussion, guests from several agencies spoke on the many issues that can arise for senior tenants. DoubleACS was there to cover the event.
My name is Colleen Hibbert-Kapler. I'm an attorney with South Coastal County's Legal Services, and we are here today at the Attleboro Public Library to do a Know Your Rights training for tenants, specifically focusing on elders. And our goal is to provide information and answer questions about a wide variety of concerns and rights that tenants would be facing. Elders are definitely a specific population that is at a higher risk of a lot of different issues. Elders often are on very fixed incomes. As rents increase, but incomes do not, elders are more at risk for eviction. They're more at risk for being taken advantage of by landlords who may want to do things or require things of their tenants that an individual with more mobility options may not have to take. In addition, there are specific funding and programs out there to provide supports for elders specifically, and so we really try and make sure that there's no one who's slipping through the cracks, both with Legal Services and the Council on Aging and the variety of community partners we had here today. Some individuals are clearly very well informed and they've been able to access resources in the past. Some individuals really have no idea of the resources that can be out there, whether they are facing eviction or having concerns with other tenants smoking, or because they themselves are a smoker and have concerns about that. Really, any of the issues that were brought up today, there's probably someone in the community who can at least give them some advice or guidance, if not full services and support. And so our goal with doing this today is really to make sure that individuals know and can share with their neighbors and friends and family that they can access our services. And the Council on Aging is a great spot to start if they don't know where else to go. And it's a great starting point if they don't know anywhere else. Legal Services is a great way also if there are legal problems going on to call us. And as we heard from an individual from New Bedford say, it's really the earlier that we are able to talk to someone about concerns they're having, the more likely we are able to make the proper referrals and give the proper assistance. And it's a great starting point if they don't know anywhere else. Legal Services is a great way also if there are legal problems going on to call us. And as we heard from an individual from New Bedford say, it's really the earlier that we are able to talk to someone about concerns they're having, the more likely we are able to make the proper referrals and give the proper assistance. So I think that the concerns that they tend to bring to these types of trainings often are related to disputes of some kind with their neighbors, whether it be concerns about noise or we heard today about some concerns of odors or smoking. Those are definitely some of the prevailing concerns they'll bring to a training like this, and that's where places such as the mediation programs, elder services, possibly the tenancy preservation program can really help. When I'm seeing clients in outreach one-on-one or calling our office, they're most often facing issues of loss of their housing. And so what people bring to these types of trainings are sort of the day-to-day living concerns, but when they then come to us for legal help, it's because they're facing eviction or homelessness of some kind. If they need help, the best idea that I would say is for them to actually go to the Council on Aging, and they can either, their website is through the city's website. They're going to be the best way to access the resources of all the various panelists that we had today. And in addition, they are able to make referrals or make appointments for people to see me or some other attorney from my office at outreach to kind of explore more further legal issues that they may be seeing.
That's it for today's update. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.